Oh, laat dat ook zien. Mag ik die eens? Oeh, het ruikt echt lekker. Chocola gekocht. Ja, het is heel koud. En het regent. Hallo, we kijken nu een serie op Netflix, Kim's Convenience, met Simu Liu en andere acteurs. En we gaan deze yoghurt proeven. Dit is IJslandse yoghurt, skyr, crème brûlée smaak. Dit is echt lekker. Ik heb Pa ook uitgenodigd om het te reviewen.
Okay. Shall I try it?
Ja.
Oké. We moeten het reviewen of wel.
Ja?
Welke smaak is dit?
Wat is dat voor smaak?
Het is echt lekker.
I think I like when it rains. You told me to go to the light.
We zijn op een Black Sand Beach. Kijk, Black Sand. En het regent nog steeds.
Okay, if you're alright.
Een regenboog en een
I
waterval.
start to wonder why I came. I dreamed of things you said to me.
Nee, was
We
het
stand
duister.
at your place while it rains.
Ja,
En
We
alles is...
talk and we laugh.
Je gaat vanzelf naar 80.
Daar zijn paarden.
Maar hoe leggen we die paarden rechts?
En
heel warm.
dit water, het lijkt gewoon op een random vijver. Maar er zit dus... Het water is dus heel warm. Kijk, zie je die rook? Er is er zelfs een spa. Oké, dit verklaart waarom het kon koken. Er staat er 100 graden.
Sometimes the lake now is getting up in the winter.
Ja. Oh. Is dat het? Wauw.
As you can see, if you don't drop, this is a very good area for cooking. Again, everybody is welcome. It doesn't matter where you came from, what is your culture. Concave like this, yeah. So if it's it's almost look like a cake. People call it a cake, but you can see by the steam. You see the steam coming out. So now we stop the cooking process, and actually, the texture here. I don't know if you noticed, but here and here, it starts to get compressed. Yeah. On the
Links.
Over 300 meter sla links.
We lopen nu nog steeds naar de ingang. Kijk, daar zie je het water al. Hallo, we zijn er bij de ingang. Kijk. Wacht. Oh, zo. Oeh.
3 times I've said your name. What you looking at anyways? You
Dit
said
wordt de
you
laatste
need
vlog,
my
denk ik.
company.
Want daarna ga ik
Well,
meteen
I'm
gewoon
here
wegsturen,
now.
ja?
So can we be?
Hi, hello. Before I officially end this video, I just wanted to leave some quick commentary and thoughts. So, first of all, it's been really long since I went to Iceland. It's been over 3 years. But as part of my New Year's resolutions, I wanted to edit all of my pending videos. So now I'm finally getting to this one. It's better late than never, I guess. So yeah, while I was editing, I was reminded of how much I enjoyed this trip to Iceland and how much I feel it's really a blessing to be able to visit Iceland, at least once in your life. I think I most of all felt very inspired by the way Icelandic people treat their land and their country. And I feel like through hardship and through many years, decades, they learned that you can't just always have your way with the with nature and with the land, and they found ways to work with nature and not against it. And I think this was very inspiring. And I guess as a tourist who is just visiting for not even a week, I just wanted to say that that I, as a tourist, I also want to do my part. And as a tourist who is just temporarily visiting places, for example Iceland or whichever country, I just want to say that in the description I left a thing called the Icelandic pledge. It's actually something I saw on a sign when we went to one of the geothermal spas for bread baking. I saw this pledge and it said things like I pledge to be a responsible tourist and to not destroy the land and to respect local rules and ways of life. And I think this is just something I always want to honor, especially in our age of social media. It's so easy to just do anything for like a photo, or mass tourism is common now. It's normal. And I think even though I think everyone who can should travel because it's such an amazing experience, I also think that we have to be aware of the consequences of mass tourism and the ecological consequences. And of course it's not only bad, because tourism also attracts a lot of it's good for the economy. But I think I just wanted to leave the pledge in the description just so that people who watch this video can also read it and just take some time to reflect what it means to be a tourist and what it means to also honor the local land and its people. And then also, I also wanted to say that the food in Iceland was so amazing. Like, I had such good food, and I wanted to I'll also include a list of all the places I went to, the ones that I can remember. I'll include the Google Maps link and the name. So please also go to the description for that. Anyways, here's to more opportunities to visit beautiful countries like Iceland. And I'm very grateful that I got to visit this country. And thank you. Thank you for watching.
IJslandse chocola. Het heet mooie serieus.
She had the hoops, white gold, with the penny loaves covering her toes. She was mine, got cold. Now the guilt's the only thing I hold. Spend my nights all alone till I snap and buy a red-eye home. Then I toss and I turn, let a cigarette burn my skin.